Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to another video in the Arabic language school with Muhammad Saleh. Today we will speak about the definition and the definition articles in Arabic. Is it one article for definition or they are two? And why we have this strange name, the sun and moon? Stay with me, grab your coffee or tea, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. What is the definite word anyway? In any language, definite means a specific meaning. The words by its nature are indefinite. When I say a pen, it could mean any pen in the world. Also a cat, it can mean any cat. So how we say the indefinite in Arabic? We just say the word, nothing. We don't have something like a or an because we don't need them. If you need to say a cat in Arabic, just say cat, قطة. An apple in Arabic is just apple, تفاحة. So, how can I make the definite form of the noun? There is many ways to define a name, to mean the exact one in your speech. But today, I will focus on the most important, the definite articles. Arabic uses one article for definition, al. It is alif without hamza plus lam before the word. So, the in Arabic is al. Word like qalam, pen becomes al-qalam. Madrasa, school, al-madrasa. There is no difference in this word in the feminine or masculine, single or plural. It is just al for everything. So, al-walad, the boy, al-bint, the girl, al-awlad, the boys, al-banat, the girls. This difference in the shape of the lam is according to the writing rules of the Arabic language. You know that Arabic letters are attached together to form the word. When we connect the letters, we remove the extra shape to fit in the line. Don't worry about this now. We will take it in the writing lessons. So, if you say it is one article, al, why do you also say, and many other people say it is two, sun and moon? Good question. The Arabic letters is 28. They originate from all over the places in the mouth. Some letters from throat like حاء, غين, others from tongue like شين, and other from lips like ميم. I want to concentrate on the letter لام. It is originate from the tip of the tongue with the top of back of teeth. Lam, lam. There is a group of letters that originate from places close to lam, like sheen. If you want to say lam, then sheen directly in word like al-shams, the sun, you will feel some conflict in your tongue. Al-shams. Because your tongue has to move very fast in very tight area. This conflict is not favorable. So, it is easy to do something we called idgham. Delete or dissolve the lam and put it inside the sheen, if you know what I mean. We delete the lam and pronounce the word with two sheens, like double letters or shadda. Instead of al-sha, we say ash-sha. This is easy for your tongue. This is what we call lam shamsiyya, the sun lam. The lam is dissolved in the next letter to prevent the conflict of the tongue. All the sun letters act this way. Let's take ra. It is also close to lam. We can take a word like risala, letter. If we say al-risala, you will feel this conflict. So we say al-risala. Remove the lam and make shadda on ra. Al-risala instead of al-risala. Another examples, at-tariq, the way, and السمكة, the fish. I will write all the 14 sun letters in the description, and I will show you nice illustration at the end of this video. The other group of letters, the moon letters, is originated from far places. They don't conflict with the lam. So let's try قاف in word قمر, moon. It will be القمر. Very easy with no problems. Let's take another letter from this group. فاء in word like fem, mouth. If we add al, it became الفم. الفم. Very easy. Another examples. الباب, the door. الكتاب, the book. Also, I will write all the 14 moon letters in the description, and I will show you a nice illustration at the end of the video. So this is the definition articles in Arabic. It is one article, but for pronunciation reasons, we dissolve it with some letters, the sun group, and we say it intact with the other group, the moon group. One last question. What is these strange names? Sun and moon letters. I think you knew the idea by now. It is just a way made by teacher for small children to arrange the letters to make it easy to study and memorize. The boss of this group is Sheen, which found in word Shams, the sun, then the rest of the letters. And we used to make these beautiful pictures, which I remember from school. The boss of the other group is Qaf, because it is present in word Qamar, which mean moon. Then the rest of the group. Also, we have this illustration to the moon group. So, this is all I want to say in the definition articles in Arabic. Very easy lesson. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see and the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Assalamu alaikum.